Good morning, students. Welcome to your general knowledge class. I hope all of you know that we already completed some chapters in your classes. Today we will discuss chapter 7, sports. Okay, here we will discuss about the questions from sports. Now the first question, as you can see, Zara Phillips Tyndall is the second eldest grandchild of Queen Elizabeth II. As a member of Great Britain team, she won a silver medal at London 2012 Olympics, which was presented to her by her mother, who herself was an Olympian. In which sport did she win the medal? Options given, as you can see: golf, equestrian, gymnastic, polo. Okay, so the option is, so the correct answer is equestrian. Okay, next question, as you can see, now not many know that this much in the news. Retired Indian police service officer, social activist and politician who is current Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry was a successful tennis player. She won Asian Lawn Tennis Championship in 1972. Who is she? Option given: Sheila Dikshit, Anupama Rao, Margaret Alva, and Kiran Vedi. So, out of these four options, the correct answer is none of Kiran Bedi. Okay, option D, Kiran Bedi. Next question. The Afro-Asian Games were a series of multi-sport competition held between athletes from Asia and Africa. India played host to its first edition with Hyderabad as the host city, where the second games going to be held before the games were pronounced postponed. Identity. So, options given: Cairo, Egypt; Algiers, Algeria; Mombasa, Kenya; Abuja, Nigeria. So, for this question, correct answer is Algeria. Okay. Next question, number 4. In 1929, the American professionals baseball team became the first team to make members a permanent part of their uniform. They are also the only team that do not have the players' names on their uniform. Which team are we talking about? Options given. So the options given here: front crawl, backstroke, butterfly, breaststroke. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer is front crawl. Okay, next question. This sport. Next question, as you can see given, this sport is a test of speed, flexibility, coordination, uh, reflexes, and tactics. It requires nerves of steel and very often patience. Its footwork is compared to that of boxing. It involves the use of the ippy, fall, and sabri. Can you name the sport? The options given: sky jumping, fencing, kickboxing, wrestling. So for this question, the correct answer is option B, fencing. Okay. Okay. Next question. In equestrian sport, the dressage competition is judged according to the horse's willing obedience to the rider. In the equestrian sports, the dressage competition is judged according to the horse's willing obedience to the rider's smallest commands, called aids, and the purity of execution of movements. Which of these is not technique judged during the dressage? Options: half pass, passage, foxtrot, and pay fee. So for this question, correct answer is option C, foxtrot. Next question, as you can see, the 100 meters hurdle is a track and the field event with spaced obstacles. It is run in lanes in which hurdles are placed so that athletes alternate between sprinting and jumping. Okay. How many hurdles are there in each lane? Options given: 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, and 12. So for this question, correct answer is option C, 10. Next question. Snooker is played with 22 balls and a cube. The object of the game is to alternately sink red balls and colored balls using the cue ball. What color is the cue ball? The only ball a player is allowed to touch. Okay, options given: black, yellow, blue, and white. So for this question, answer is white. Next question. It is usually regarded as the fastest of the four front primary strokes in swimming. Which stroke are we talking about? Options given: Wimbledon Championship, European Championship, Rothman's Trophy, Fed Cup. So for this question, answer is option A, Wimbledon Championship. Okay. Now next question. Water polo is a ball sport played between two teams. It combines speed, endurance, accuracy, and of course team spirit. Apart from goalkeeper, how many active players are there in each team in the pool? So what is the correct option here? Now option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8, and the correct answer is option C, which is 7. Next question given here, that this tournament is India's oldest football tournament, named after its founder, who was a foreign secretary in charge of India from 1884 to 1895. Which tournament we are talking about? Options given: Wilson Cup, Durand Cup, Santosh Trophy, Subrata Cup. Okay, so for this question, answer is Durand Cup. It's a very famous tournament of football in India. Okay, next question. The Venus Rosewater Dish Ladies Singles Trophy is awarded for which of the following tournament? The Venus Rosewater Dish Ladies Single Trophy is awarded for which of the following tournaments? Options given: okay, 1 minute. It is Wimbledon Championship. Okay. Next question number 13. The trophy shown in the picture was original name Victory. It was later renamed in honor of former association president Julius Ramate. It was owned by Brazil in 1970 but got stolen in 1983 and was never recovered. For which game was this trophy awarded? Options given: hockey, soccer, lawn tennis, golf. So the answer is lawn tennis. Okay, next question. The National Association for Stock Car Auto Racing race that takes place in Martinsville, USA is one of the motorsport's most famous stock car race. The winner is presented as an unusual trophy that reflects the area. Martinsville area. What is the unusual object presented as a trophy? Options given: tire, chair, steering wheel, clock. So for this question, the correct answer is option D, clock. Now, question number 15. The Dubai World Cup is awarded as at the race held annually since 1996. Okay, in the Emirate of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. With which sport is Dubai World Cup associated? Option: sailing, camel racing, horse racing, dhow racing. So for this question, the correct answer is option C, horse racing. Next question, as you can see, the Indian Cricket League was a private cricket league founded by Zee Entertainment Enterprise that operated between 2007 and 9. And in India, 19 participated in the league from 4 countries. Which of the following was not a team that participated? Options: Lahore Badshahs, Dhaka Warriors, Ahmedabad Rockets, Chandigarh Cats. So for this question, correct answer is option D, Chandigarh Cat. Okay, question number 17. Hector Mendoza won his national team the gold medal of 2014 Central Americans and Caribbean Games in Veracruz, Mexico. With which sport is he associated? Options: basketball, rugby, baseball, equestrian. So the correct answer is for this question is option number C. This is the baseball. Now next question. A retired American professional boxer, also known as Malik Abdul Aziz, is a former undisputed heavyweight champion of the world and holds the record as the youngest boxer who win WBC, WBA and IBF heavyweight titles. Whom are we talking about? Options, as you can see: Willie Pip, Rocky Marciano, Mike Tyson and Jack Dempsey. So this question answer, I hope all of you know him, which is option C, Mike Tyson. Next question. He is a retired Irish English player who won the British Open 6 times between 1967 to 1973. He co-authored the book Murder in the Scotch Court, The Only Way to Win. Identify him. Options: Geoff Hunt, John Brampton, Aftab Javed, Derek Ryan. So for this question, the correct answer is option B, John Barrington. Next question. Ritik Bhattacharya won the Indian National Championship 5 times from 1998 to 2005 and was a finalist at the World Doubles 2004. With which sport is he associated? Squash, curling, archery. Okay, so for question number 20, the correct answer is squash. Next question. Sakshi Malik won the bronze medal at 2016 Rio Olympics in the 58 kg category. Previously, she had won bronze medal in 2005 Asian Wrestling Championship in Doha. In which weight category she is working? So question number 21, the options are given: 60 kg, 58 kg, 52 kg, 65 kg. So for this question, the correct answer is first 60 kg. Next question number 22. AC shuttler PV Sindhu won a silver medal in the women's single badminton at Rio Olympics 2016. Which among the following Indian military forces had decided to appoint her as its brand ambassador? Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, National Security Guard, Central Industrial Security Force. So for question number 22, B is the correct answer. Question number 23. A warm up generally consists of some gentle exercises that gradually increases in intensity. A pre-exercise warm-up brings the body to a condition at which it safely responded to nerve signals for quick and efficient action. It also helps decrease the chances of an injury. Which of the following is not done during warm-ups? Options: joint mobility exercise, stretching, sprint, slow jogging. So for question number 23, the correct answer is option C, sprint. Next question. Which of the following sets of games will be an addition to the 28 sports currently on the Olympics program for the third Summer Youth Olympic Games to be held in Buenos Aires 2018? Options given: hammer throw, bandy and water polo, dance sport, karate and sport climbing, karate, biathlon, modern pithanol, water polo, Greco-Roman wrestling and fencing. Okay, so for this question, correct answer is option B, dance sport, karate, sport climbing. Next question, question number 25. In the 2022 Winter Olympic Games, which events will take place at Jahanko Zone? First opening ceremony of the games, bobshelling, skeleton, lung and alpine skiing, closing ceremony and ice sports competition, biathlon and all skiing events except alpine skiing. So for this question, correct answer is option D. Next question, what is the meaning of the term all around in gymnastics? Here features they have given: the total of 4 events in the women's the total of all 4 events in women's rhythmic gymnastic only, the total of all 4 events in women's gymnastic and rhythmic gymnastic. So option A, and all 6 events in men's gymnastic. So all the options 1, 3, 1, 2, 4 only, 3 only, 4 only, 3 and 4 only. So for this question, and correct answer is option D, 3 and 4 only. Next, this is a biennial golf tournament for professional women golfers consisted by teams representing Europe and United States. This event alternates with the Ryder Cup, the equivalent men's event. Which tournament is this? Warden Trophy, Curtis Cup, FedEx Cup, Solheim Cup. Okay. So what is the correct answer for this? Now for this question, correct answer is option D. Now next question given here. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to repeatedly extract force against resistance for an extended period of time. Performing multiple repetitions of an exercise is a form of muscular endurance. Which activity is considered a muscular endurance activity? So for this, push-ups, sit-ups, swimming, all of this. So definitely the correct option is all of this. Okay. Next question. X is the representative of India's highest sporting honor. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 1996 to 1999, Arjun Award 1990, Padma Shri Award 2001. Y is the youngest Grand Slam champion of all time and won women's doubles title at the age of 15 years 9 months. Together they own 2015 Wimbledon mixed doubles title. Identify X and Y. Lender Pace and Martin Hines, Lender Pace and Martina Navratilova, Roger Federer and Carl Black, Roger Federer and Elena Vencina. Okay. So for this question number 29, Definitely option A is correct answer. Leander Paes and Martina Hingis. Okay. Next question number 30. This event has been contested as the Winter Olympic Games since 1924. The first competition of this event involved 18-kilometer cross country skiing followed by sky jumping till 2014 Winter Olympics. It renamed a men's only event. Identify the event. Nordic combined bobsleigh, figure skating, alpine skiing. Okay, so for this question, correct answer is first Nordic combined. Okay. Next question. The Australian Open Tennis Tournament 2015 was the 103rd edition of the Australian Open and the first Grand Slam tournament of the year. 15 events were held in the tournament under 3 different categories. Who won the men's single title under wheelchair category? Options: Gustavo Fedrenz, Joachim Grader, Stephen Hogg and Singo Kunida. So for this question, the correct option is option D. Next question. In soccer, what is kickoff? Options: a strike when the ball has wholly crossed without a goal, having been scored, having last seen touched by a player of the defeating team, awarded to attacking team. B. Striking when the ball has crossed the touch line, awarded to opposing team to that which last touched the ball. Option C. Strike following a goal by the opposing team or to being each period of play. Option D. None of this. Okay. So for this question, the correct answer is option C. Option C is correct. Okay, next question. Question number 33. The JSW Group owned franchise in the Pro Wrestling League has announced India's Test captain Virat Kohli as the co-owner of this team. Which team is it? Bangalore Yodhas, Revanta Mumbai Garuda, CDR Punjab Royals, Haryana Hammers. Okay. So for this question, the correct answer is option A, Bangalore Yodhas. Next question, as you can see, the first edition of this competition was staged in 1985 in China and tournaments have been played every 2 years since then. It began as a competition for players under age of 16 with the age limited raised 17 from 1991 edition onwards. The most recent tournament was hosted by Chile and owned by Nigeria. The 2017 edition of it was held in India. Identify the event. FIFA U17 World Cup, Football World Cup, Under 19 Cricket World Cup, Under 19 Badminton Tournament. So question number 34, correct answer is option A, FIFA U17 World Cup. Next, last question from this chapter. One of the world's best middle distance runners, Maria Mutola, is the only athlete ever to hold Olympic, World Indoor, Commonwealth, Continental Games and Continental Championship titles in the same event. In 800 meter, to which country does she belong? Option: Jamaica, Barbados, Kenya, Mozambique. So for this question, the correct answer is last, Mozambique. Okay. So we completed this chapter today in your class. All the answers are given already. So hope this is going to help you for your exam. Thank you students. Thank you for watching today's class. Thank you so much.